Kane, come here. Over here, Kane. Yeah. Waiting on your turn, huh? You got some meal. You got yourself some banana flavored slices from the Happy Oli company. They decided to tell you how much you're awesome for Halloween. Yep. You want some snacks? Alright, get back over here. Alright. I want banana. Nibble. You're not gonna eat it? You're not gonna eat it? Buttercup's gonna eat it. What about you? You want one? You don't like the banana one? He's looking at that like, nope, he's not eating a banana one. Buttercup's eating a banana one. Buttercup likes bananas. Well, since Buttercup likes the banana flavor, let's see if Kane likes the pumpkin flavor. Kane, we're going to put your pumpkin flavor right here. Come. Come on. Come get you some pumpkin flavor. Different flavors for different dogs. Buttercup. Remember that banana that Kane didn't want to eat? You're going to eat it now? Oh, he took it. He took it. He's going to eat it just to keep her from eating it. You're not going to eat it? Well, then give it a Buttercup. Buttercup, eat the banana. Buttercup got the banana. And you can tell these dogs are the utmost spoiled because they have shag blankets wrapped up in their own puppy dog pillows. Lay down and take a nap. Kane. These treats help with training. Good job. Grab you a bag of these Happy Oli banana slices.